Hi, my name is Dr. Art Bowler, and I'm a psychologist in Manhattan, New York City, where I have my own private practice. In this clip, we're going to talk about how to deal with loneliness as a single person. Loneliness is tough for everybody, whether you're single or partnered. However, loneliness isn't something that you have to suffer through alone because, let's face it, many of us, whether partnered or single, feel lonely at certain times in our lives. It's important to recognize that looking around the world, people are everywhere. And what you really need to do is connect with those people. The ways that you can do that is through your community groups, through different internet sites, and really any way that you can get involvement with others around you. Some are social clubs, some are cooking gatherings. Depending on where you live, there are a plethora of ways that you can get involved as a single or partnered person. And it's really important that you look around your area and find out what might work for you. This is Dr. Art Bowler, and this has been How to Deal with Loneliness as a Single Person.